What if a planet could threaten Earth's existence? Surprising, right? In our universe, chaotic planetary systems exist. Today, we're diving into world-killer planets and their history. Planetary systems can be unstable. Imagine a giant planet colliding with smaller ones. The repercussions can reshape entire systems. This is the essence of world-killer planets. Now, let's explore this concept step by step. First, we identify a world-killer planet. These are massive planets with strong gravitational fields. They can alter the orbits of surrounding bodies. Next, chaos ensues when these planets approach closer to smaller planets. They can shift paths dramatically. Think of it as a massive tug-of-war between two celestial dancers. Afterward, if a world killer approaches, it can cause collisions. Such an event can lead to mass extinctions, similar to what we saw with dinosaurs. This paints a vivid picture of planetary turmoil. For example, in our solar system, Jupiter is a protector. Its massive gravity influences other objects, preventing rogue asteroids from hitting Earth. But if Jupiter weren't there, life could be dramatically different. In summary, world-killer planets disrupt harmony in planetary systems. Their immense power can cause chaos, affecting life itself. Understanding their role helps us appreciate our planetary neighborhood's fragility. Curious about these cosmic dangers? Dive deeper and explore more about planets. Subscribe for more exciting insights about our universe. Imagine for a moment a scenario where a world-killer planet, perhaps several times the size of Earth, begins to drift within the orbital reach of our own solar system. As it looms larger on the horizon, the gravitational dance begins, with smaller celestial bodies feeling its pull. Asteroids, once on a stable path, suddenly find themselves careening towards the Sun, or worse, towards Earth. The sheer scale of movement echoes a galactic symphony of destruction, changing the fate of these smaller worlds. The tension builds as the gravitational forces clash, drawing us into a cosmic war where the stakes are nothing less than survival. Our planet's existence hangs precariously in the balance as the world killer's approach becomes a dire warning, a harbinger of chaos. We remain captivated, both terrified and awed by the power of these giants, reminding us of our status in the vast universe. Will we continue to be fortunate, or will we face an unsettling reckoning? This is the unpredictability of our cosmic reality. As the world-killer planet moves closer, its gravitational influence becomes a catalyst for collision. Asteroids and smaller planets, once content in their orbits, find their paths altered in a thrilling yet terrifying dance of cosmic chaos. Imagine a fragile moon spiraling off course, caught in the gravitational tug-of-war, becoming a rogue asteroid hurtling through space. The very fabric of our solar system is being rewritten as these chaotic interactions unfold before our eyes. With each passing moment, the delicate balance that has allowed life to thrive on Earth grows ever more fragile, leaving us to ponder the unpredictable nature of our universe. What will be the ultimate outcome when these celestial titans collide? As the community of smaller planets confronts this looming threat, their orbits become increasingly chaotic. Each celestial body is forced to react to the world killer's overwhelming pull, and the resulting turmoil is nothing short of catastrophic. In the relentless push and pull of this celestial drama, some planets may even find themselves on a collision course, leading to spectacular yet devastating impacts. Such cataclysmic events leave behind a void, a stark reminder of the tenuous threads holding our cosmic tapestry together, underscoring the fragile beauty of existence in the universe.